Hi friends, today I'm going to show you this place Volta Continue. When you get down from this train, the train which comes from Châtelet, there's so many pages. I think it's just to give the idea for the people who are refugee who wants to go to Offa. I'm just giving you the shortcut way. So I'm getting down from the train which comes from Châtelet. Normally when you go to they give you a long way, you know. So if you want to go shortcut way, so you have to take the home. Yes, it is softly. You can see like this, like last time, you know, the glasses. For soft before you have to get it down. You can go by lift if you want, otherwise you can take a staircase. So I'm going to take a staircase. I'm just giving you the idea, those who don't know the exact way of shortcuts. It'll make your way easier. So hurry up. Take the staircase. Okay, so I'm going to get off from the stations. So here it goes Sortie 4. You take the Sortie 4. Okay. And you have to go this way. It's very easy. Normally many people knows that, but those who don't know, who don't have any friends or who came alone first time, maybe it help you. So I'm going this way. Here you find so many offices are there. So you will find this boat. You can go straight where you can see the Pont-l'Emploi, the boat of Pont-l'Emploi. You can go straight and turn left. Otherwise, you can go from this way. Normally, it's much easier for you. So I'm taking this way. Okay. Now it's not so far from here. So I came straight. Now we have to turn right. You find like this. Now you have to turn right. So many people are standing there. You can see, right? So this is the office, entrance of office, you know. And I want to give you information, those who have our nationality, French nationality, so they are not allowing the French nationality card person inside. If you want to help your friend, something like that. So office where you give your stories, you give your date of birth, live with family. Office. You have to make in queue. This is the entrance. Some people are standing there waiting their friends. So if you like this video, then please subscribe it. Next time I can give you more information.